Rolling. So semantic web is something that's kind of evolving and currently rolling out. It incorporates other factors that really haven't been looked at previous till, you know, really this last year. It's not something that really is going to make or break any project, but we always like to kind of future proof all of our projects. So we incorporate certain elements within all of our SEO to make sure that people are good not only now, but moving forward into the future. So these are things that deal with schema markup and some of the other things that really the semantic web is going to be based on moving forward. These are things not that I don't get into a lot of details with our customers on, just because they are so complicated. But if you have, by chance read about semantic web or schema markup or something of that nature, that's something that we do and we take care of. We can incorporate it into an existing site, and especially if we're building something from the ground up, we always put that in place.